What?
Yeah, well, that light fury won't let me within a mile of her. And yeah.
You tried this once before. Change. I am proud of you.
Well, he's my best bud. All right. Fire.
I guess you know the tail is fireproof.
Okay, Toothless.
Well, well, well. Someone's excited.
He's fresh up. Yeah, but to do that, he'll need to fly without me. So time to give this new... What do you think, bud? Bring her home. My son died.
Everyone agrees we've definitely traded up. Well done, Chief.
Game of his life.
How would I know? She never comes around. And when she does, skittish. I'm just gonna say it. I don't trust her.
Gave a talk I had with Stoic about you. Gah! I think they want to eat me. Evidence would suggest I'm tasty.
So am I. And I have a parasitic twin, but you don't see me limping around about.
This is all because of the hobgobblers.
We have to take him out of the mix.
And how would we do that? I was thinking we should split up, just because.
Where's your dragon when you need it?
Separate the prey from its pack. You've just removed yourself.
When I was a boy and I came upon a night fury, I killed it with every last one, bringing real peace to the people of... That nonsense dies now, sucked into obedience with their own venom. Not even you...
Take cover! Wait. Where is Roughnut?
Roughnut is every day. Dumb.
Wouldn't be spat!
Your helmet's on. Toothless and I will fly.
Toothless has the light fury now.
Good. Look.
Well, because his father had to. He doesn't realize this.
He thinks he's nothing without Toothless. Get on.
What?
We're going to find him.
Really?
If they're stuck with Roughnut, I'm more worried about them.
Stretched at birth. Do you have a twin, too? Toughnut took up all the room in Mom's... Yeah. Even the mold spots look like eyes. It's so cute. They even have You've never had a prisoner this hot. Astrid. But Snotlout and Fish Legs, they're basically my harem. Beauty in this relationship. Fish Legs would keep me alive longer if I had. It's so boring.
Can't we just feed her to your dragons?
Hey, what do you have? Find me food inside that's already chewed like the way Mom used to do it?
Enough! Shall ever to cross my path.
Aww.
Please, I beg you! The death grip is...
Okay, gods. No wonder you have gray hair. Thank you, girl.
There's nothing but miles and miles of... A great waterfall.
At the end of the world.
We should go.